What's up, guys? It's April 15th, 2024. Got a bear trend day. I was at work to buy, so I caught this leg down. That was pretty tight. Made a little bit of money on the live account. I'm so happy to be live again. I hope you guys are doing good and making some money. Oh crap. Hold on. I didn't update this. Delete that. This is how I pretty much do it on one try and then copy and paste it. So yesterday's low. It's kinda that's it. Bar 70 is the low tick. This will do it correctly here. Bar 4. Okay. So gap up. Bulls trying to break through the higher time frame EMA. They go for yesterday's high and fail. Bar 1 is a bear bar. Bar 2. Bar 1 can be seen as a pullback, and bar 2 can be a continuation for this gap up. However, when we get to bar 3, it doesn't close above bar 1's high, and bar 4 looks like it's sell and a pullback on a smaller time frame. Bar 5 is an inside bar, so that's not good. Bar 6 is a doji bar closing on its high, but we're in a range, lots of overlap. So if you were trying to buy this from a bull flag perspective, I don't think that's good because actually on lower time frame, bears are also making lower highs. Bar 8 is a breakout for the bears, breaking out of the morning range, breaking back into the EMA. Did I say bar 8 or bar 7? Oh yeah, that is bar 8. Bar 9 looks like bears trying to break through the lower time frame EMA, and this becomes a leg 1 because bar 10 is the pullback. Bar 10 can be seen as a pullback for bears, leg 1, pullback leg 2. Bar 11 gives it like a bear flag appearance here, lower high. Bar 12 is follow through. Bar 13, bulls try and get the reversal and fail. Bears bring it back down. It's almost an outside bar, but it closes one tick above bar 12's low. Bar 14, bulls come up, test the EMA and sell back off. There are more sellers at the EMA. Bar 15 is starts a pullback for the second leg down. Bar 16 has a fractal leg down right here and then closes on highs. Bears are keeping control under the EMA. Bar 17 becomes a strong bear trend down. It's a bear flag here that makes 3 legs lower, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, and then the market goes sideways. So where are we in the market cycle? We're range about. We had the breakout at the channel, and now we're ranging. Bar 19 is a failed breakout by the bears and it reverses higher, but it's not very strong close for the bulls. Bar 20, bears try and go lower and fail. The market goes sideways. This is a version of a TTR. It's about 20 minutes long. Bar 21, bulls break above 20's high and reverse down. Market is trapped right here. Bar 22 and 23 look like bears go for a leg lower, but they get trapped and have to buy back shorts. Bar 24 looks like a strong bar for the bulls, and they buy that for a second move higher. That looks like a pretty quick one-to-one scalp. Bar 26 is a pullback with bar 28. 27, 28 is a pullback. Bar 29 is the second leg higher for the bulls, so leg 1, pullback leg 2. Bar 30 is a pullback for the bears. For the bulls. Bar 31 could be seen as a third leg for the bulls. So this is a pullback. So leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, and that creates a wedge top on this EMA and this EMA. Blue EMA is acting as resistance. Bar 32 and 33, you start to see a small sell, and then 34 breaks below the EMA. Here's the low of the day so far. Bar 35 breaks below the low of the day. Bar 36 is follow through. So now bears are going for a breakout. They could get a measured move here. Bar 37 is a continuation for the breakout. It's becoming this is a micro channel because there's legs in between it. Bar 40 is a 2-legged pullback. Bar 40 starts the pullback for the bulls. This is the first pullback after the breakout. Market cycle reset in the range. Breakout. Bar 40 starts the pullback. So this is the end of the first breakout lower, and then Bar 41 is continuation. Bar 42 is good for the bulls. However, bar 43 makes a pullback. It breaks this micro channel line. Bar 44, bulls go for the reversal back into low and fail on the EMA. Bar 45 gives the market a good bear flag appearance, a strong close. Bar 46 is another strong close. Bar 47, it's a smaller close, but it's still a trend bar. And bar 48 is the biggest bar. So bears got a spike down even lower. They got the micro channel pullback spike. And then here's a micro channel. And bar 51 is the first pullback. Bar 52 could be a leg lower. Even though I said this is the first pullback because it's a bull bar, it's really still contained within this channel. So we could see this as the first pullback. Bar 53 is a pin bar. Bar 54 is second leg for the bulls. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. Excuse me. Excuse me. So now we're in the channel phase after a new spike. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, or breakout, pullback, spike, starts a new breakout. Pullback leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. It's kind of a wedge bottom. So here is another micro channel lower. Bar 58 looks like the bulls are trying to form a low here. Bar 59, bears get the sell. Bar 60, bulls rally but have a bad close. Bar 61 is a good rally for the bulls. Bar 62, bulls try and rally into the above the EMA, above this range, but fail, and bears get the reversal down. This creates a kind of like a triple top bear flag-ish, maybe good for a scalp, but it is getting late in the trend. Bar 62 is followed through. Bar 63, the bars are growing bigger. 64, bears go for another breakout and immediately pull back. So the breakout's getting weaker. Bar 66 is a pullback right after their new low. Could be profit taking too, late in the day. 67, bears go for another low, another leg lower. However, they're met with bar 68, which is looks like a reversal for the bulls. Bar 69 is another bear bar. This is hard. I can't even lie. This is harder than I thought. Bar 70 is a pretty nice looking bar late in the trend. Bar 48 was the biggest bar. Bar 70 is late in the trend. Bar 71 looks like a 2-bar reversal. I think it's definitely safe to get out of shorts around here and definitely around here. Super late in the day and the market goes sideways, closing under the EMA. Looking nasty on the higher time frame. Look at that. Dang. We haven't seen that. When did we see that? When was the last time we saw that? It's so in October was the last time Bears did this. So breakout channel range, and now Bears are going to start targeting all these previous failed breakouts and pullbacks. These failed breakouts are pull flags. That's the Bears target. Go over the leg 1, leg 2 moves. Or just go over the breakouts rather than leg 1, leg 2 moves. So leg 1, pullback leg 2. That's met around here, but we put it to the high of bar 10, and that's a sloppy right there. So that's met when it's nicer, done neater. Then we have a breakout right here. That's met right to the low of the day. However, that starts to get the breakout. And once we break out of yesterday's range, our target becomes 1R of yesterday's range. So it's here. They closed about 20 points higher at 5,100. 580 was the leg lower. Hope you guys are doing good. That one kind of tired me out. I kind of zipped through the leg 2 moves. I can't lie. I'm going to try and do them more bar for bar analysis so I can start to learn how to talk about the charts better. I can't even lie. That I was getting gassed out. I started out good, kind of slowed down. So yeah, I'm going to try like that. So I'm going to do the market. I talked about the market cycle within. I'm going to try and weave the market cycle as I'm talking about it because there's no point of talking twice. And then for our eyeball, I'll do the leg 1, leg 2 moves type of thing. If that makes sense, so we can see what we're talking about. But the market cycle, I can do that as we are talking about the things. You guys get what I'm saying. Hope you guys are doing good. I got to head out a little bit early. I got some family coming over. I appreciate the support and all the comments. Gonna try and drop Chapter 9 this Saturday for the Blue Book. I'll talk to you guys later. Let me know what you guys think of this bar by bar analysis. If you agree with it, or tell me if you don't even like it. Like, honestly, be honest. I don't care if you guys don't like it. I do care if you don't like it, but what am I gonna do? I'll try and get better. Thanks, guys. Thank you for the support. I hope you guys are all doing good and making money. Finally had some volatility in the markets. I'm going to be actually trading tomorrow, which scares me because I did good today and I didn't mean to do good today. So that's about 10 minutes. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.